Hey everyone, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries back in the garage. And beside me, I have the all-new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9. And in this video, I will be guiding you through the installation process of the Womet-Tech bar ends. These bar ends are a CNC machined anodized aluminum with a delrin end cap that also feature an accent ring of your choice in different colors, so you can carefully match the color scheme that you are trying to go for on your bike. Now, it is important to note that these anodized rings are not color matched for any specific color. So as you can see here, against the Yamaha red, it is a little different in the color. Please keep that in mind as you are shopping. These are not guaranteed to match any specific color from any manufacturer. Now, the installation of these bar ends is very simple. All we need to do is have a 5mm hex key, Allen key, or T-handle to remove the OEM bar end, and we will use this same tool to reinstall the Womet-Tech bar ends. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. With our tool in hand, we can very carefully insert it, and then you want to grab onto the bar end itself while carefully backing out this bolt. Now, there is a chance, depending on how your bike was actually assembled at the factory, maybe they included some thread locker. Keep that in mind as you are performing this installation. We will back the bolt out completely while supporting the bar end. And once it is backed out fully, we can go ahead and toss this to the side. Now, with the Womet-Tech packaging in hand, we can remove it. And you can see right out of the box, these bar ends have a silver center with the delrin end cap and the hardware pre-installed. In this case, we do need to go ahead and assemble the accent ring onto the base. In order to do this, we will remove the cap and the bolt from the base, and then we will slip the ring onto the base. Now, it is important to note, there is a lip feature on the inside of this accent ring that coincides with the stepped feature on the base. It only installs properly one way, and this prevents it from slipping forward. And when you install the cap, it will be tightened down to prevent slipping outward. Now, if you install this incorrectly, you may end up with a look like this, and the ring won't go down any further. Or if you install it from the opposite side, you will have a gap there, or you just won't be able to do it. So again, just use that noodle in there and make sure you install this properly. With that completed, we can go ahead and begin the installation process. We will grab our size 5mm hex tool and begin threading this on. Now, those first few threads are crucial. You want to make sure you're not cross-threading, that there's no debris in there. Please be sure that you are installing this properly. You will go ahead and bottom this out at this point. And once you're at a nice bottom out point, you want to go ahead and hold the bar end while just cranking it as far as you can. 10 foot-pounds is safe to torque this at if you are a rider out there who needs a torque spec for this. Otherwise, you can just bottom it out and you'll be good to go. Now that this side is complete, we can hop on over to the other side of the motorcycle and repeat these same steps. Now that we're on the other side of the motorcycle, we can remove the OEM bar end from the throttle side. Follow the steps. Now on this side, you do want to be a little bit more careful because you do have the throttle tube here. If this is installed improperly, you may run into an issue where your throttle tube is binded. So let's go ahead and bottom this out. And now that we are at bottom out, we will hold the bar end, go a little bit past that. Check your throttle tube. You are all good to go. And as you can see, with the ring installed properly, although there is a gap to prevent your throttle tube from getting tied up, the accent ring does not slip one way or another, and that is because that is installed correctly. At this point, this installation is now complete and you're ready to ride. So if you are interested in bringing a little pop of color to your YZF-R9 or adding in an element of crash protection, please be sure to visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these bar ends can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to say, hey, let us know where you're watching from, please, we encourage you to do so in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Of course, if you haven't already, right now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we have coming out on the all-new YZF-R9 and plenty of other new motorcycles that are finding their way into our garage. And lastly, if you haven't already, stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X, Threads, all username TST Industries. That is where we post all of our most recent adventures, sales, specials, product releases, you name it. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage. I thank you all for watching. You guys ride safe, and we'll catch you next time.